Test the lock with your cabinet or drawer. Clean and dry the place you want to place. The place must be aligned the door with the closed position. Turn off the lock for installation. Assembling the latch and lock into installation stencil. Peel off the latch's tape. Assembling the lock. Stick the stencil with latch and make it align with the cabinet door. Then pull the stencil for a little bit and peel off the tape on the lock. Close the door and open it again to make sure the lock is on the door side. Turn on the lock and remove the stencil. Then test the lock. Use the key to open the lock. And mark the position with a sticker. You can turn off the lock when you don't need to use it temporarily.